Hello friends, in this video we are sharing a very valuable tip with you. Pre-lube the turbocharger prior to first startup. With engine not running, add clean engine oil to the oil inlet of the turbo while turning the shaft by hand until oil comes out of the drain. Use squeeze bottle or pump. When you open the packing of the turbo, you will see a squeeze bottle with it. The old turbo should be checked and confirmed that it is faulty. I have made a complete video how to diagnose the turbo fault. That is the most important thing to play in the turbine shaft. And before replacing the turbo, changing the turbo with a new one, we checked the old turbo at the workshop by dismantling it and confirmed after dismantling that the turbine shaft of the turbo was badly damaged and was in irreparable condition. Another valuable piece of advice: in the event of malfunction of a turbocharged engine, the turbocharger is immediately assumed to be at fault and is replaced without proper diagnosis of turbocharger failure. This can result in wastage of money and expensive time. Frequently, the replacement unit soon fails, finally prompting an investigation into the real cause of the initial failure. Before replacing the turbo, we have made sure that our turbine shaft is expired and badly damaged up to irreparable condition. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe the channel for more videos like that.